am Dr. Anubha Gupta from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. I am presenting lecture series on a very important unit, which is the electromagnetic theory. I will cover this whole unit in 8 lectures. Uh, in the part 1 of my lecture, I will cover Stokes theorem, Gauss divergence theorem, law of electricity and magnetism, continuity equation for current density. As you know that the Stokes theorem and the Gauss theorem are the important tools for electromagnetic theory. I will cover about the Dell operator, divergence, curl, and as this is Stokes theorem convert the line integral into the surface integral and vice versa. Gauss divergence theorem cover surface integral into the volume integral and vice versa. Under the law of electricity and magnetism, I will cover about the basic law of electricity like Gauss law, Ampere's law. In the continuity equation, we will drive the continuity equation and show that the charge is conserved. In the part 2 of my video lecture is displacement current. What is the need of displacement current? What is the requirement to modify the Ampere's law? After that, in this lecture, I will cover how to solve the Maxwell equation in integral and differential form, which is very important for the EMT. And in the part 3, I will discuss about the Maxwell equation in vacuum and in conducting media. How to write Maxwell equation in vacuum means in free space and in conducting media. In the part 3 of lecture series, I will cover about the Poynting vector and Poynting theorem. In a Poynting theorem, I will discuss each and every terms and I will tell about the significance of each term. In the part 4 of this lecture, I will cover about the properties of electromagnetic wave. In the part 4, I will cover one of the very important property of electromagnetic wave, that electromagnetic wave travels with the speed of light in free space. In part 5 of lecture series, I will cover another property of electromagnetic wave, that the electromagnetic waves have a transverse nature. And in the part 6 of this series, I will cover the relation between electric field and magnetic field of EM wave, that the ratio of the electric field and magnetic field is around 376.7, and which is called the intrinsic impedance. In the part 7 of my lecture series, I will cover plane electromagnetic wave in conducting media. What is the behavior of EM wave in conducting media? How it exponentially decrease inside the conducting media, and it will define skin depth. After covering all these topics, I will discuss important numericals on the skin depth, on Poynting vector, and on conducting current and displacement current. It will include in the part 8 of my lecture of EM wave, of EM theory. And these are the books which I cover in this video lecture series. References of my lecture: Concept of Modern Physics by author Beiser, Solid State Physics by S.O. Pillai, Engineering Physics by S.K. Gupta. Thank you so much for patience listening.